Nice thing about being at home by myself is A, I have the sun shining in my face, and B, I don't have to share my pack of gum with you guys. I get all the pieces myself. So, anyway, moving on. Let's get started here. All right, moving on with simplifying radicals. So, let's go back to the first page, this page. All right, we're going to look at example number 1. That's my dog. Go to your room. She doesn't listen. Let's talk about the square root of 4 times the square root of 9. Okay? In order to do this problem, we need to know one rule. You can multiply inside with inside and outside with outside, and that's today's lesson. So I can do 4 times 9. And that's the square root of 36. Now, I treat this just like I did. I break down 36 into, you guessed it, 6 times 6. So, the square root of 36. All right, remember you have the house. This number goes outside. That's 6. Is there anything left for the inside? Nope. So I'm just going to erase that. So the square root of 36 is 6. Tammy. Draw time. Always something. All right. Now we're going to hop on and we're going to jump a few pages here, so bear with me. We're going to go to day 3, multiplying and dividing radicals. So, not only can we multiply inside with inside, outside with outside, we can also divide inside with inside, outside with outside. So that's what we're all going to do here. So let's look at number 11. So we have the square root of 8 times the square root of 2, square root of 16. Okay, and how can we break down 16? All right, 8 and 2. And then we can break down 8 to 4 and 2, and I ran out of room here, but we know that 4 can be broken down to 2 and 2, so we're going to circle our pair of 2's, circle our pair of 2's, and this is going to be 2 times 2, which is 4. All right, now this is a very powerful rule and kind of like ability, because now when I'm looking at example number 13, I have the square root of 75 over the square root of 3. Okay, and I would have to break those down. I would have to break down the square root of 75 and the square root of 3 and that stuff. But if I do 75 divided by 3, I get the square root of 25. You can see very quickly my answer is going to be 5. Now, sometimes when you're doing these, okay, you might not get anything, like in example 16. What is 3 times 5? 15. If I break down 15, I get 3 and 5. So my answer is just the square root of 15. $17 here. Six root 3 times root 3. So I'm going to do inside with inside. That's 9. 6 root 9. And 9 can be broken down into 3. So let's look at this. The square root of 9 is nothing goes inside, that goes outside, right? So I can erase that. But now I add this 6 outside. So it's 6 times 3, and that's 18. Let's look at 18. 3 root 20 times 6 root 5. So let's do outside with outside, inside with inside. Can you break down 100? Yeah, very good. 10 and 10. Awesome. Nice job, Mason. 10 and 10, so this is going to be 18, okay, times 10. It's going to be 180. All right, so it's those examples. So let's go back to day 1, and we're going to do the 2 at the bottom, and we're going to call that a day. So you're probably wondering why on number 5 am I bringing this in? Because it's just one thing. Remember I said inside with inside, outside with outside. So let's break down 54. 54 is what? 6 and 9. 9 is 3 and 3. 6 is 3 and 2. So I have a pair of 3's here. That's going to come outside. This, they're going to stay inside. But here's why I said it's going to be inside with inside, outside with outside. Because outside there was a 2. So that 2 comes into play now at the end. So now I have 2 times 3, that's 6. And 3 times 2, that's 6. My answer is 6 root 6. All right, number 5, or the other number 5. 2 root 48. So let's cover this up. Let's break it down 48. We did this earlier, 6 times 8. That 8 became 4 and 2, so that's going to be 2 and 2. And 6 is going to be 3 and 2. So I'm going to have a pair of 2's here, a pair of 2's here, and that 3 is going to be left inside. So we're going to have the house. This 2 comes out, that 2 comes out, that 3 stays in. But remember, I have this 2 outside from the start. So this is going to be 2 times 2, that's 4 times 2, that's 8. So this is going to be 8 root 3. All right, so I want you guys to try this. I know it's going to be difficult. I'm going to pick some easy ones for you, and then we'll move on. Stay classy.